All right. Hey guys, happy Monday. Thank you all for coming to today's training session. We're going to be going over how to create a Wix website. My name is Brittany Maxwell. I am a gold consultant, Evo 100 too. And I have been with Evolution for over a year now. Guys, I absolutely love this. I love the marketing. I love the advertising. I love working with the people that we have on our team. Everyone is fabulous. So Wix.com. It's fairly easy site to navigate. I like using the templates. So I'm just going to create a new website. You guys, so everything is done. It's pretty simple, straightforward. So we're going to go directly to the site, Wix.com. Okay, and we're going to press Get Started. Create a website you're proud of. Okay, I hear you guys still popping in. We're just now getting started. We went to the Wix.com and we're just signing up. I'm going to sign up with my email and a password. Let me check which email I'm going to use. Okay, guys, we're just going to wait a second or two just so that any late stragglers coming in can hop on. We don't want to leave anybody out, but also do respect everybody's time. So we're just going to give another minute or two. And we're also recording, guys, so you will be able to catch up with the recording if you miss anything at the beginning. Okay, I'm going to mute you guys' background. And if you want to unmute, just let me know and I will unmute everybody. Okay, guys, we're just getting started. My name is Brittany Maxwell. We're going over how to create a Wix website. So the first thing I did was I go to Google and I type in Wix.com. And I'm getting registered right now. All right, guys, so I just typed in my email and then retyped my email and typed in a password. I try to make sure all my passwords are kind of the same so I do not forget. All right, and we are going to get started on creating a site. So you guys can start from scratch or you can use one of their templates. I like to save as much time as I possibly can. So I am going to just use one of their templates that they have. And you can use travel advisor, travel agent. They might even have travel coordinator, but I like the travel agent. And I'm just putting the name of my business, which is Vacations with Brittany. And you can change it at any time if you guys decide that you want to rename yourself or rebrand yourself, you can totally do that. And you can still utilize the Wix website that you create by just changing the name. All right, and what are your goals for this website? I'm going to click offer a service and promote myself.
Is this service for free or you have to pay?
Yeah, you can get a free Wix website. You can actually connect your Wix website to your Google domain. That does cost a fee, but we're just going to go over making a free website.
Okay, thanks.
All right, guys. So my goals for this website are going to be to offer a service and promote myself. If you guys want to add on, sell a product or share knowledge, feel free, because this is your guys' site. This is your business. You market and advertise the way that you would like to. Okay, and what do you want to add on your website? We added bookings to set up your service. I'm going to do, all right, so it's got the chat and it's got the bookings. Let's do events, guys, because we can put on our Viator link as well as our golden tickets link. Right, and I'm going to click next. Right, continue setting up your business in dashboard. Okay, we're going to go to the dashboard and we're going to finish setting up our site. Yes. Yeah, sorry guys, my kid is here. He's a mess. Okay, so we're gonna customize the site. Now it looks a little, complicated, but it's really not that complicated. So I'm gonna customize my site. And the customization button was in the top right corner. All right, I'm gonna put my email. Okay, let's do that. And I'm gonna leave my address off and I'm gonna put my phone number. The only place my address is out there is on Google. And that's only because that was mandatory. All right. And I'm gonna add a social link. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Facebook and let me grab my Facebook link.
Do you add your personal webpage Facebook link or your personal Facebook link to this?
I'm gonna use my business page link.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Click more. I think this is how you get to, it's been a minute since I've copied my Facebook link. Let's see, nope, not edit, definitely not edit. So if I take it from the top, it's going to be a ridiculously long link. So I'm going to find the link that's inside, because there's a certain area that you can add or get your link from. All right, guys, that might just take too long for me to find it. I'll probably have to come back and get it and let you guys know where to get it, because it's been a minute since I've got it. Let's see. That's an Insights business app. I don't think that's it. Let's do my page. Oh, no. Okay. All right. We'll just come back to that. We'll add that. We'll skip it and we can come back to it at any time. Okay. And this is where you're going to pick a theme. All right. Also, guys, you'll need to confirm your email for the Wix website, which I will do that in momentarily. But right now, I'm just going to keep going. I like the cheek look. That's really nice. But also the retro, that really calls my name. But I'm going to go with the cheek look. And I'm just going to click next. You guys just choose what speaks to you, whatever colors speak to you. And also you guys can do this from scratch. I just find it's a lot easier to use the template that they have available.
Miss Brittany, I have a question.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so my screen is showing welcome to your dashboard. I did not get the page for, let's see. Add your first service. It says set up your site. I'm trying to get to the page of pick your theme, pick a theme.
Okay, you'll have to press go to dashboard. And once you press go to dashboard, it'll pull up another page and it'll be your dashboard. And inside the dashboard on the top right corner, there will be a link for you to press and it'll say customize site. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go with one of these homepage designs. So I'm going to go with this middle one. I don't know, that beach just calls my name, so I'm going to click on that one. All right, so we're going to add a page to the site. We're going to do the about me, as well as the vacations and services, because we can put all of the services that we can provide. I like the trip quote. Guys, you can do it simple. You can have one page, you can have 2 pages, or you can have 10. Just whatever you feel comfortable doing and having on your page. Also going to go with travel tips as well as cruises. And let me see what else they have. Testimonies, hotel, guided tours, flights. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm going to actually put quite a few of these on here. I'm going to go with the flights. I'm going to go with the hotel. And I'm going to do the business travel. Guys, you do not have to put all of these pages on yours. This is just what I would like to do for my own. And a contact me section. And then I'm going to click next. So this will actually have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages to my website, which I'm cool with that. I can navigate that. You can always, if you choose 1 page or 2 pages, you can always go back in and edit the site to open it up for more pages. And it might just take a second for it to load because I did pick quite a few pages. All right, guys, and just to tell you, this is a free site that we can use. You can pay for a Wix website if you would like to buy your domain and connect it to your Google, but you don't have to. It's absolutely not necessary. You can utilize the free site as much as you possibly can. It's definitely being slow. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. It's just taking its sweet time to come up. Okay, Miss Kimberlyn, you can use your Wix website the same way that you share your Google website or your Evolution site. So when you're on Facebook and you're putting a mock booking out there, you can attach your Wix website to the post and people can come to your post and look around, kind of like you do for the tree or even your Viator link, we just share it and we get traction or traffic to our page. And it's always good to have that outside website source for yourself, because guys, at the end of the day, yes, we do work for Evolution and we work with Evolution, but we're marketing ourselves and we're in this business for ourselves. So when you're out there and you're talking to potential clients about your business, you're not really telling them about Evolution and Archer. You're telling them about yourself and your business and what you have to offer. All right, we're just hopefully give it another minute because it's definitely taking its sweet time. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I thought we was gonna have to do something about that. That just really depends on what you want to do. If you would like to add your Evo website, you totally can do that. Solution website for the simple fact of I am a travel agent. I want people coming to me to make the booking. I don't want anyone to use my site because there are going to be some times where someone makes a booking on your Evolution site and you don't know about that. I would rather have that hands-on and be able to speak with my client firsthand to make that booking. All right, if you have a Google, can you add multiple websites? And is it wise or more confusing for people? Honestly, guys, on my Google, I have my link. You're welcome. You're welcome. I have my link tree set up because, which I'll probably change it because I really like the Wix websites. With Linktree, you can connect all of your affiliate sites, your social medias, all of, the sites that we have access to. You can connect it to your link tree, but that's the same way with this website. You can embed all of your links, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, your Viator site, your golden ticket site. And if you've been with Evolution long enough, you'll have access to sandals. They give you an affiliate site. You can put that on here as well. I'm actually going to be working this next couple weeks because I would really like to have this as my full-time site. All right, let's go. Oh, you can go to the editor, Deborah, and you can change everything. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the editor and I'm going to just play around with it. And if I don't like any of the pictures, you can change the pictures. You're welcome, Deborah. All right, let's see. Guys, my kid is in the background and he is being crazy and he's playing with his gun. So if you guys hear that Ghostbuster gun, please forgive me. Sometimes he's himself. And, kids are kids. They're going to be kids. They're going to be crazy. And half the time they don't listen to anything you say. All right, let's look at this picture. That picture, you can just click on it and you can get the text. Which I think believe that. All right, guys, internet connection is unstable. We have some severe storms coming. So if I happen to lose connection, guys, I will be back, okay? All right, let's see. Let me see what I can do. Let's see. We'll change the picture. All right over here, this is the media. These are all the different tabs that we have access to for fixing our site. You can add elements. You can add a section, which would be like a paragraph or something. Add pages. You can change the way that your site looks, the writing, add apps and media. I'm going to change the photo or see what kind of photo they have. Let's see. They do have images on the site that we can use. So let me see. Okay, let's see. Those two guys. So this is what it looks like. All right. We're just going to take that off of there right now. You just, there we go. If you don't like something, you just exit it out. to the photos and see what kind of photos you have. So it'll take you a little bit of time to just play around with the site and to fix the way that you want. But everything is editable. And I said that weird. Everything can be edited. And your site's not published to the public until you press that blue publish button at the top. And even if you press publish and you're allowed the way it looks, you can always go back and can fix it to make it look the way that you want it to. No, you don't have to, you don't have to grade. You can use the free site as long as you want to. I'm going to use the free site. Okay, the media, it's going to be on the left-hand side. And it's going to be the one that looks like a picture. Here, I'll show you. All right, so the top one is add elements, add a section, pages, text, apps, and media. When you click media, it'll pull out the slide menu. And go a little bit and find more. And I'm just going to choose a picture that I kind of like. Guys, oh, that picture looks like those twins from The Shining. Y'all seen that movie? That's crazy. With Jack Nicholson. I'm sure everybody has seen that. Well, look at here. This one's nice, very nice hammock. Let's see what, let's add to the page. Okay, it's not the background like I would like it to be. Let me see how I can do that. Let me just take that out of there and click the background. Change background strip. There we go. Let's see. Let's do the image. So I'm changing the background image, guys. All I did was click on the image and press change. Oh yeah, that would be good to use for October. That good? Yeah. I'm so excited for the fall, guys. It's so hot here in Louisiana. I can't even hardly stand it anymore. All right, so I'm going to change my background image just because I can. And so they have the pool and the water. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We like that. We like that a lot. Change background. Guys, I am a huge beach fanatic. Love the beach.
I love the beach too.
There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. I like that. Hey, I'm in a training.
At the beach.
Not in Wisconsin. That's funny. Yeah, it's hot in the South, guys. It's hot. Isn't it kind of cool today? Is because we got showers coming in. It's not cool. It's still 95 with the heat index of 108. It's ridiculous.
Why is there this tiny photo?
Okay. All right. Let's see. I've got my background picture picked out.
Let's go with this.
All right. And I'm going to change the color of the font because that made text. And then we're just going to change the color. All right. So color. Let's see what yellow. No, something that stands out because it's not really standing out. Let's see. Let's look at the colors. Let me cancel that. Guys, see, this might take a second. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm just trying to give you like an overview of how. Oh, look, that yellow is pretty yellow. An overview of how you guys can make a site pretty fast and easy. And we're going to make that yellow as well.
Mine. These are mine.
All right, let's see. All right, travel expert, trust vacations with Brittany. All right, I kind of like that. See if I can move it down some. All right. I like that. I like that picture. All right, and now special offers. It's time to see the world. Guys, I like to leave their little introductions that they have because they usually go in something that's really nice. Okay, and so I'm just gonna edit this text out right here because I'm not trying to put a price in. You can put research on different stores that we have access to. I'm just gonna take the prices off for now. But I am gonna leave the medieval castle tour as well as the Southeast Asia adventure, but we can book trips there and someone reaches out to me and they're like, hey, I'd like to go see that castle. First place I'm going is to Viator to see what they have to offer. Because a lot of agents don't know this, but you are able to get tours inside Viator. I booked an 8-day tour of Iceland a couple of weeks ago, and it is amazing. Yes, you can add text, you can take the text away. You just make it, your own site. Do everything that you possibly can to make it if you want it. All right, and so this button right here, I will actually get it set up to go. So it's a link. So I'm gonna put my web page in there for Viator. So let me grab my Viator link and put that in there. All right, so it's my Viator link, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to let me make sure I'm signed in. All right, I'm gonna share with a client. So I'm just gonna copy the link. All right, copied, and let's go back to, and I'm gonna paste it into the URL address. And it'll open in a new window. All right, now watch this, guys. We click on it. It should go, well, the site's probably gonna have to be live, but once you click on it, it will go directly to Viator. And I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm gonna put my Viator link in there. All right. Okay, and I'm actually going to take out this whole section right here. And well, I'm going to leave it in, but I'll change up the pictures and all right, travel tips, small business, city network events. Okay, all right. You guys remember, this is your site. You take out what you want, you add what you want. If you're advertising just wellness retreats, then do your whole site for wellness travel. If you're a sports fanatic, you can do your whole site as a, sports travel, whichever is your niche. If you're only doing cruises, then guys, utilize all of this for your cruise sites. Make it your niche. And I'm gonna take this picture and let's get a different picture. Manage services. Definitely have a slow computer today. Very sorry, guys. Okay, let's change it to, oh, here we go. Let's change it to the weekend getaway. All right, weekend getaway. And we're just going to leave it. We're going to take the location off. Oh, I have to add this to my site before I can edit it. Okay, that's okay. There we go. I had to zoom out, guys, so that we'll be able to see. All right, let's see. Visible on your site and the app. Fixed price. Okay, let's see. Let's change the image cover. Right, and let me see what they have on Wix. So you can choose pictures from Wix, Shutterstock, and Unsplash. I thought it said Upsplash. Okay, guys, so breakfast table, the beach. Let's see. Let's do the weekend getaway is what it was. Let's do one of these images of the beach. I don't know why the beach just calls my name. Oh, here we go. Let's do the hotel pool. Add to page. And let's save. And missing some information. Okay, let's go back up and let's fix that. Let's do fixed price. I'm just going to put 0 and let's see if we can save it now. No, okay, it won't let me do 0. All right, let's just do 50. I can update it at any time, but we all know that you're not going to get a hotel for cheaper than 50 bucks. If you do, you probably don't want to stay there. All right, let's see. Let's save that. All right, we're not going to worry about that right now. Let's see. And exit out of that. And I gotta zoom out on my page because I made it go a little bit in. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, it took that off, but that's okay. Let's see. Let's go up.
And it's raining.
Exit out of that. Okay, guys, I don't know what happened. My site just completely closed. Let me go back into it. Okay, and I'm back. Still learning these Zoom mechanics, guys. Sometimes it just does not do what I want it to do. Right, I'm on the website editor. It's still loading. Okay, here we go. Phew. All right, guys. Just there we go. There we go. It looks good. It looks really good. We're just gonna leave that section the way that it is. Let's go down and see what we can get. Let's patients with Brittany. How about trip quotes? Okay, let me kind of zoom out. Let's see. services.
When you do the part in there about the trip quotes, can we embed our quote thing from our Evo website onto that?
Yes, ma'am, you absolutely can. And also if you have a jot form, you can embed that in here as well. Guys, I'm trying so hard to get my computer to work, but everything is going against me today. So let me go to trip quote and let me see. Add a section. See, guys, I can't even scroll down. Something's going on with my computer. And I've zoomed out several times trying to get it the right way, but it's just, let me see. Nope, that's not it. Escape.
Brittany, how do I get back to add a section from the page that you're on now?
You should be able to click on any of the sections and it'll have add section.
No, it's still in the image. Okay, add section. There we go.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna press save. Okay, I'm just gonna press save and continue because maybe it'll close it out and let me redo it because all right, let's do a preview. Okay, so this is kind of what my site is set up already to look like, which is good. I'm going to go back through and I'm going to edit stuff because all I have to do is just, there we go, make it smaller. All right, our services, get in touch. Let's see if I click get in touch where it goes. Okay, and that goes directly to my Viator. Awesome. All right, that's set up the way that it needs to be. Good. Okay, oh, there it is. Finally, goodness, I couldn't find my little scrolly thing for nothing. All right, awesome, awesome. Okay, and my services, I'm gonna add another service, and I'm gonna take away the price. And travel tips, guys, you could just do any travel tips that you can think of. You can even go to Google and you can search up the best travel tips and you can put those on your website. And let's see, what is this? Small business meetups. I'm going to do the same thing for the business. And I'm just going to put in my jot form. I'll put my jot form here, here, and here. Which I'll change the pictures up a little bit and make everything look like my site. All right, now I'm going to change the address and everything. All right, let's see. Let's service. And so you can actually go to the top two and you can click on cruises, and once you have your page set up, it'll tell you the different cruises that we have available. Which I'm going to be working on my site, this one, for the next couple of weeks, guys, until I get it really set up the way that I like it. And the same way with you guys. I mean, you can definitely get it done today, but it's just going to be like your basic generic site, which is totally, it is whatever you want it to be. If you just want it to be the quickest site so you can get your name out there, you can totally do that. Nobody's going to tell you otherwise because this is your business. And as long as you're following the booking rules and regulations in the back office, and following their advertising and marketing, you're good to go. All right. And here's where you would put your prepare for your trip with these travel tips. And I'm not sure where this is going, but let's click it and see. Read more. It might not go anywhere. Okay, it doesn't go anywhere. That's okay. Okay, at the very, very beginning, whenever you start to sign up, they will ask you if you want to start from scratch or build your website. When you're putting in your information, type in travel agency, and it'll take you to a dashboard, and inside the dashboard, you're able to customize the site and choose the templates that you would like to use. If you want to, you can, when we get done with this recording, you can go back. It's in the first, like, maybe 5-10 minutes at the very start of the recording. All right, guys, I just try to keep up with everybody's questions throughout the training because I don't want you guys to feel like, I'm not answering your guys' questions. All right, so I'm just going to go back to the editor. All right, and it's on traveling tips. All right, so I'm actually going to go back to, let's see, to get to the different pages, you can go right up here to the page, right up here, page traveling tips. And the home page is your very first page that you're going to go to. Your about page is, it's the about you, which I'll put a picture of myself on there, who I am, where I started, and that will obviously be a picture of me and not this guy, which he's a cool looking fella, I can tell you that much. And then I will go to all of the different tabs: trip quote, vacations, travel tips, my services, and I'm just going to edit every one of them so that my page has 10 sites within it. It's very nice. It's going to look really good whenever I get it set up. Let me just go home and finish fixing up this home page. All right, I'm going to take off the service page. All right, any of the pages that are on your site, you can just click on edit page. Let's see how I can take this off. And if you have any questions, there's always a help button. Let's do the settings. Okay, and you can customize the services. I want to take off the services. And let's see, let's exit out that. All right, there, that just took that whole section off of there. And let's see. Section, book of service. You can change the name of your book of service. You can put tours, anything that you really feel comfortable doing. And this is where I delete the section. Okay. Right. So it will go directly from special offers, which we can go on to our branch up, guys, and we can find different special offers that we can put in here, and you even save the picture of your phone or your computer so you can upload it to your site. All right, and this is my business meetups. And this is where I'm going to put my all of my information. So we're going to edit the text, change the settings. That's an event. We want to manage the event. Okay, well, I'm going to leave it as ticketed event or as RSVP event. Let's see. All right, let me cancel out of that. Okay. Display event. You'll see what other events they have to offer. Which, guys, if you don't want the events page, you can just delete that off of there. Multiple events, upcoming events. Let's see. Let's do upcoming events, and all events. Okay, that's good. We'll just leave that because it's just the way that I want it to be. Okay. And we'll change the text. Let's do RSVP. Okay, we'll leave that one there. RSVP closed. Ribbon text. All right, let's do the RSVP and see if we can add my link right there. All right, I'm going to get my jot form. And I'm going to just log in real fast. Let me log in with Google. Log in with Google. All right, and job form is free, guys. If you guys don't have a job form, we have a training for it on Discord. So I definitely recommend following up with that because job form is amazing. All right, so I'm just going to hit publish form, and that's going to copy my job form link. I'm pretty sure it's copied. Yes. All right. And I'm going to go back to my Wix website, and this is where I'm going to put in my job form. Oh. Okay, it won't let me put it all in there. So let me see. Text. Membership dates. Okay. I don't know why it's not letting me put that in there. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's make sure button text will apply to all events. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let me exit out of there. See if I can put it in here as well. I just tried. No, it's not gonna let me put it there. That's okay. All right, so we're just gonna click back and we're gonna exit out that. And let's see if we can click on the next ones and see what they can come. I'll come back through, guys, and make sure that all of my links are set up correctly and everything. So I'm gonna actually go to this home page up here and I'm gonna go to trip quote. And I'm also going to put my job form under the trip quote. Right. Okay, so this will go directly to my email, get a trip quote. You can put the link to your job form here and it'll take them to their job form, or you can go and you can look for the qualifying client form and you can just add in all the information to this website right here. Right, and I'm going to leave the name because I like the name of it, guys. All right. And this is a price quote section. Encourage your prospective clients to provide enough information. So you definitely want to change that, and you can put in all your information that says, you know, vacations with Brittany. It's latency, IATA, and you can just give them a description of all the things that you're able to do. Right, that's pretty nice as well. All right, let me go back to, let's see, traveling tips, cruises, my services, contact me. And look, you could do the book online. Anywhere you can put your link, guys, for all of your sites, you could definitely utilize those. All right, it's got this book now button. That's where I'm going to put my the text. All right, title services, a link. We're going to paste that. That's my job form. I might have to go grab it again. Yeah, copied. All right. Still, right, it's not letting me put the whole link in right there. So let's do the book now. And I might be able to put the link in right there. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. All right, enter. Okay, you can always go back and edit the site if you want to add the trip quote page. You can definitely do that. See, guys, the best thing about this Wix website is it might take you a minute to like get it set up, but you can do it any way that you want to do it. You know, if you find out after you've pressed publish that it doesn't have something on there that you want, look, I'll show you. We'll just publish it and I'll show you guys so we can always go back. All right, let's press done. And I don't want to go to the mobile site right now. All right, and look, we can press preview. And so this is what my site looks like so far, guys. So you can press the home and that'll be the very first page. Right, and so I published my site, guys, even though it says publish up here. You view site. All right, and so this is my published site. It is live. No upcoming events, which I'm still working on this, guys. I'll be working on it for a minute. And then they can go to the about section, the trip quote, and flights. So to always get back to it, you just go to the Wix and then back to editor, and you'll be able to edit all of your information, which I'm going to be working on it for the next few days, guys. Whenever I get my site completely done, I will share it in our chats. If you guys would like to check it out once I get it completely finished, you can definitely do that. I have no problems doing that. It's definitely simple to do. Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody need any help with their site? I know it's a lot of information and I know I didn't really go through everything, but I'm just trying to give you guys, you know, a basic understanding of just how to navigate the Wix website and just to get started, because everything can be, you know, edited to where you like it. If you don't like it, just go back into the editing stage and just fix it up the way that you guys would like. All right, guys, I guess I'm going to stop the recording.